In this video, we will look at a few examples to practice working with combinations, specifically how to calculate combinations using our calculators. In example A, it says compute 10C6 using your TI calculator. So let's remember what this is about. Because there's a C, it means it's a combination problem. And the 10 and the 6 means we have 10 objects and we're trying to think about how many ways could we choose 6 of those objects from the set of 10. So to do this with your calculator, the first thing you want to do is type in the 10. Once you have 10 in there, you click the math button and scroll over till you get to the probability menu. Go down until you see NCR, that's combinations, and click enter. You could also push 3 to jump to that part. Then you're going to push 6 because that is our value for R. It's how many objects we're choosing out of the set of 10, and click enter. And we get our answer, which is 210. In example B, it says Jim has 4 paid vacation days that he has to use before the end of the year. If there are 26 business days left in the year, and how many ways can Jim use his paid vacation days? Okay, so what we have here is 26 days that are left in the year, and he has to choose 4 of those days to use for vacation. So what we're trying to calculate is 26C4, because the order that we choose the days doesn't really matter. So we're choosing 4 out of the 26 days. How many ways can we do this? So let's use our calculator. The first thing we put in is 26. Then we go into the math button, scroll over to probability, and scroll down to NCR. Okay, there we go. And then push 4. Now to compute this, we just push enter and it gives us our answer, which is 14,950. So he has 14,950 different ways that he could choose his 4 vacation days from those 26 days left in the year. In example C, it says Kathy has 35 radishes growing in her garden and she needs to pick 8 to put in her vegetable stew that she's cooking. And how many ways can she pick the 8 radishes? Compute the answer using your TI calculator. So just like the last problem, there are 35 radishes to choose from and she wants to choose 8 of them. The order doesn't matter, so it's not a permutation problem, it's a combination problem. So it's 35C8. So using your calculator, you first type in 35, then go into math, over to probability, and down to NCR. Click enter, and then click 8 and enter again. And we get our very large number for our answer. So our answer is 23,535,820 different ways that she could choose the 8 radishes from her 35 radishes.